If you're looking for a genuine Hostinger coupon code and a clear, honest Hostinger review, this quick video will point you in the right direction. Hostinger is currently offering discounted pricing on their all plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll receive an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this Hostinger review, what stands out most is how balanced the platform is. You get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, LiteSpeed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes creating a website simple even if you're not technical. And if the prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner of the page and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting options for new and growing websites. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off, tap the link below or scan the QR code.